what was known before. According to rumors, the presentation of the iPhone SE2 should take place in the first half of 2020. It will probably be released in March with the iPad Pro 2020. According to an insider, the iPhone SE2 will come in 4 colors: gray, black, red and yellow. The main camera will have one module, and there will be large frames on the top and bottom. As predicted earlier, outwardly it will resemble the iPhone 8. It is not yet clear under what name this model will come out. Different sources refer to both iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 as possible options. This information was previously confirmed by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. He also noted that the iPhone SE2 will combine the design of the iPhone 8 and the internal components of the iPhone 11. The smartphone will go on sale in memory configurations of 64GB and 128GB. He also predicts that the starting price of the new budget iPhone SE2 will be $399.